art and craft we are going to do. I am Savita Manoj. Today we are going to do this ball hanging. Okay, this we are going to do after you finish your exam or relaxation. We are plan to do this art and craft. Okay. Children, you must have seen all the materials required. Now, initially we are taking the red paper and then just fold it in this way. This is the ideal size what we are doing. Fold it like this and one more folding you make it in the middle. Then take a pencil, you just mark it like this, like petal shape, like oval you need to mark it. Have seen this like oval we have made it. It should be little petal shape. To one side alone it is pointed. Okay, on the line you need to cut it. You can start cutting over the line what we have drawn. Okay, you need to see that you are cutting it only over line. We are folding it and cutting just because we will be getting so many pieces at a time. Such a way you have got so many pieces. Okay. With this extra like this, we need to make more numbers. Okay. So you can fold it like this. The pointed end should come here like this. Okay. Just make a cone like this. You just overlap the sides and here you try to apply little glue. See that you don't apply too much of glue. Very little of glue is enough. You just hold it and have for few minutes it will stick. Then you can take your hand. See, we have made one. Such a thing you have to make nearly 12. Okay. See, then take yellow sheets, have like a rectangle you cut it and then start rolling it like this. Just roll it like this. In the end portion you apply glue and just hold it for a few minutes, it will stick nicely. Such like you can make so many like 8 or 9 even you can make it. Okay. See, after that you take the things what we have done, this and the other stick like thing what we have made and apply glue on the stick and paste it in the center of the cone what we have made. Just keep it like this inside. Few minutes hold it, it will stick nicely. See that it is in the center. Okay. All the 8 ones you have to do and keep like this. Next, take a A4 white sheet, fold it and draw it in draw a semicircle of radius 8 to 10 centimeters it can be. After drawing, you just cut that. Then start cutting it over the line where we have drawn it. Okay, see that you are drawing the line which is visible. But need not be very thick and all. Just cut over that. You'll have 2 pieces like this. Center, you just make a cutting. That's what we have got, 2 pieces. Okay. Next, you can start assembling the cones what we have made. Initially, apply glue. Okay. In this semicircle what I have drawn inside. Roughly apply glue and over that you can start placing the cones. Initially from both the sides you start pasting it. In a circular manner you have to paste. See, then take a white sheet, have two different sizes of squares. For doing the center part decoration, you take a square sheet, just fold it like this, half you have to fold it, then one more time do that. So again half you are folding, then from keeping this folded part as the center, diagonally you have to fold, then it will come like a cone, okay? On that, you just make a pencil mark like petal, okay? Like this you are going to make a petal. Make a pencil mark like petal like thing you have to make, and over this you need to cut it. So while you open, you will have something like this. You have got flower like thing. The other one also you do it in that same way. Make a center folding, and again one more time you have to fold, and then the diagonal folding should be done. See that you crease the points nicely, and then in this the petal shape is going to be rounded. Then you can start cutting over the line where we have drawn. This is going to be the center decoration for the wall hanging. Open it up. You'll have something like this. Then in one part alone you just make a small cutting like this and apply glue over this place and just place it over it. So you will have something like bloomed flower, that we are going to keep it in the center of the flower, this flower. Just apply little glue and place it in the center. Now our center part is ready. Earlier we assembled the cones. Now on that, in the center part, you apply little glue over the back side of the flower and just place it over it. In the center, you just place it, then it will stick. Then take the woolen, yellow woolen I have selected, okay. From this you take woolen strands of 6 to 7 of this length, okay. Then you need to make a knot over this place. Just make a knot. And this, just make a easy knot over one of the side alone, okay. Like 2 or 3 times even we can make it, since you can have something like this. Then take the cones what we have made, then the strand which we have put the knot, just insert it through this. We'll have a hole through this and you just pull the thing there, and here you apply little bit of glue and just without disturbing leave it for some time. It will stick nicely. Don't meddle with your hand. It may be a problem, it will be messy. Then see that you are pasting it like this. All the 5 things should be pasted this way. Then make handles like this. All the 5 we need to paste on this paper. Keep it in such a way that the center is longer and either sides it is gradually reducing. Okay? Keep the paper here and apply glue and just start pasting it. From the corner I am going to make it. See that? You roll the woolen thread and keep over the glue where we have applied. Same way, all other things also should be pasted. Size of the thing, you roll the ribbon and thread and keep it. Okay. Equal interval should be given. Apply a little bit extra glue so that it sticks properly. Keep it in a flat base and then glue it. Only then the placement will be correct. After finishing this, the other strand what we are having, take that and fold it and put knot over one side. Just make a knot and for hanging we'll be using that.
Okay.
Take a woolen strand, just fold it twice and then make a knot. To one side of the thing alone, it is enough. We are going to paste only. Just apply glue here and just paste it. Just keep it here. This part you apply glue and just place it over this. Okay, just apply more glue so that it will stick there. See that the semicircle here it coincides with the other thing. Now our wall hanging is ready, and center part decoration you can do either with stickers like this, or it can be any beads or any colors you can use. Then in the end of the petals I am just pasting star sticker. Okay. If you have beads, you can paste it. The weightless things, anything you can use on this. These are the things easily available. You can just use these stickers. It will give an elegant effect. To other parts, I am just pasting the other color of stars, just to make it little more good. Color choice is yours only. Like I thought for white, blue will go well. Now our final wall hanging is ready. You just do like this, explore and enjoy, okay?